Uyatsho uDlamini-Zuma bona waya kusihlalo kumphathi mafa kunye nesekela likamengameli wehlangano ANC ukuyokuphakamisa bona wonke umuntu kufuza anikelwe ithuba lokubeka lakhe lokubodlana ngendaba yokuvotela umbiko mayelana neplasi likamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
I actually went to the 3 leaders of the top 6 and I said this is wrong. We must be given an opportunity to debate this matter, all of us.
Kanti uthi akasiphikisi isiqundo esithethweko ngombiko we-section 89 izole eParliament kodwana uthi yena bekavota njengomjameli womphakathi eParliament.
I didn't defy the party. I voted as a public representative in Parliament.
Kanti ke uthi nangabe kube nomhlangano kwathathwa isiqundo sokuthi umbiko lo ungavunyelwa eParliament kutsho bona bathethe isiqundo kungekezwakala umbono wawo wonke amalunga wehlangano ebusako.
If they say there was a decision, it means they are defining us out of that meeting. And I did say to them, this is wrong, and you can't give instruction based on a discussion that excluded others.
uDlamini-Zuma uthi yena bekavotela bona umengameli aziphendulele njengombana umbiko usitsho.
Coming now to the report itself. The report does not say President is guilty. The report does not say the president must go. All that the report says is that based on their discussions, there are still questions that need to be answered. So I didn't see anything wrong with that.
uDorh Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma usajamile ukuthi yena ulandele idemokhrasi ekuvoteni kwakhe njengoba idemokhrasi ngeyawo wonke umuntu.